What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and I'm bringing you some more CES coverage. This time it's on the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Now this device feels extremely good in the hand. To the right hand side you got your volume rockers as well as your ridged power button. This nice gold color going along the sides. To the bottom, down firing speaker, headphone jack. To the left hand side you got your tray there that houses your SIM card, noise cancellation mic up on top. And take a look at this nice gold color to the back. Dual camera setup there, 12 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel, and you also got a fingerprint sensor on the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Now with the Huawei Nova 2 Plus, you are getting a 5.5 inch full HD display, so that's 1920 by 1080, 2.5D curved glass, and you do get that, somewhat tall forehead and chin on this, so no 18:9 aspect ratio. On-screen buttons there, Huawei branding to the bottom there. This is also rocking a 20 megapixel front-facing camera. It doesn't look like there's an app drawer on this. I'll definitely jump into settings in a moment and see if we can enable some type of an app drawer. This also does have an LED notification light. You got your Huawei folder there with some Huawei applications. It looks like you got a health app as well. You got your themes option. Pulling down the status bar, you can see those are some of the quick toggles that you do have on the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Into settings now. I want to check and see if this does have NFC. Jumping into more, it does not have NFC, but you do got tethering and portable hotspot. Into home screen style, and there it is. You can actually enable the app drawer. So me personally, I like the app drawer on my Android devices, and it looks like it's taken about 2 to 3 seconds there to load the app drawer, but there we have it. Into the app drawer now, you can also search alphabetically for a specific application. You also have a search option up on top, and there you can basically see the keyboard on the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. Back into settings now. Go ahead and jump into display, and you can change the font size, the text style. You got an eye comfort option. Color temperature, you can adjust and make it warmer, cooler. Just depends on your preference. Next, I'll go ahead and jump into notification and status bar. As you can see right there, you get the option for pulse notification light and also to display the carrier name or hide it. And on the upper left-hand corner, you can see this does say T-Mobile. So this is rocking a T-Mobile SIM card. And then next, I'll jump into navigation key, and you can pretty much switch these up to your liking. Now, if you have smaller hands and reaching the status bar is kind of hard, you can add that button there, and it'll pull down the status bar. So you do got a couple of options there when it comes to the on-screen buttons. And then jumping into memory, internal storage, you got 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is great. This is also rocking the Kirin 659. It's an octa-core processor clocked at 2.3 gigahertz. And I'll go ahead and jump into advanced settings and get a simple mode, a student mode to choose from, and into about phone. This is rocking EMUI 5.1 as well as Android 7.0 Nougat. And then this also does have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And I'll go ahead and show you the camera interface here in just a moment. But again, a dual camera setup to the back, 12 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel. And you also get that 20 megapixel front facing camera. So the 12 megapixel camera is a f1.8 aperture. You do have the wide angle option, and the 8 megapixel is an f2.4 aperture. And you do get some additional modes to choose from, as you can see there. And then you got the GPS tag on this, assistance grid, object tracking, a wide variety of options under settings. And again, go into video here, and we're going to see what's the highest resolution you can record in, and that's going to be full HD at 1080p resolution. So that is the highest resolution you do have there. Again, this was just a quick look at the camera interface here for the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. And I actually like all the different modes you are getting here. And the shutter speed seems about average. It's not super fast, yet it's not super slow. This is also housing a 3,340 milliamp hour non-removable battery. You got fast charging on this and a nice slim metallic body. But that's pretty much it for my coverage on the Huawei Nova 2 Plus. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the thumbs up button and please subscribe for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.